Today we're going to talk about the newest program. It's actually from our programmer Len. It's one of his what he calls his personal programs, private programs, whatever you want to call it. He also has one called the Winner Circle, which he uses. Now Len's betting strategy, or the way he bets, is he bets on shorter priced horses, often bets to show or show parlays, and he often looks for singles in pick threes, pick fours, etc., and key horses and trifectas and exactas. And so what he's done is he's developed, we call it an NCCG, Notorious Consistent Cash-In Generator. But it's a super consistent program. It's very much a spot play, doesn't get a lot of action, but the unique thing about this program is Len has tied everything to his research database to let you know when a long-term profitable play comes up. Again, and what he does, he lives in Vegas and he bets his horses, through the casino, and because he's betting things that are very high percentage, he very seldom comes out on the short end over the long run, and he gets huge comps from the hotels or the casinos that he's playing with. And this particular one also has a kind of a unique ability of what we call learning. It actually, as more and more races are included in his database, the program becomes even more accurate as far as selections go. And again, consistency, and we've talked about this before, the vast majority of horse players and the vast majority of our customers prefer consistent programs to long shot programs. While long shot programs may make you more money over the long run, you have to suffer through some severe runouts. With this program, for instance, runouts are almost non-existent. Very seldom do you have a run out of over 3. And if you're talking about, say, like on the show end, you're talking about sometimes 10, 12, 14 of these horses that come up as best bets, at least running third in a row. So that's pretty powerful, whether you're playing just a show or whether you're playing modified show parlays. Len basically took several factors, they're listed here on the website, several predictive factors, which again, on their own can be predictive, can be good predictions, but he's combined them all and weighted them, each category, and he's built it to focus on the likeliest win place show results based on a very extensive database study. And also, the nice thing about this is when you get, and again, you're not going to get a lot of big prices. You'll get the occasional double-digit horse, but a lot of them are going to be on the shorter end, but they're going to win and hit the board at an exceptionally high rate. And what he's done here is when a play comes up that in the type of play that in his database shows has a good, solid, long-term positive return, you're going to get this message at the bottom: bonus, good thoroughbred play. So in other words, when you see that message, you know that betting this horse over the long run, betting this type of horse when this message comes up, is going to make you money. The program also, and again, you're going to get about average, probably about 3 plays per day, 3 solid plays per day. I've seen cards where there's none, and I've seen cards where there's 5, but you're probably going to get about 3 on average solid plays, which are proven long-term profitable plays. Also, this program, when you do get an actual play, a top choice, the trifectas and superfectas, especially at the smaller tracks, can be pretty lucrative. They come in fairly often, and we've seen some really big prices even when the favorites are included. And again, here's another good thoroughbred play bonus. Hit the exacta with just 3 horses. So again, you're going to get a lot of consistency, and again, you're not going to get a lot of huge prices, but you are going to find that as far as runouts go, they're again almost non-existent. Now, another really neat thing about this program is it's very, very good at picking quarter horses. Several of our programs, especially the speed programs, are good with quarter horses. This, though, is the one we've seen overall is the best. And Len, when he ran the program on all the quarter horses in the database, every track that runs quarters, we got an overall 6% profit. That's betting all of them to win. Now that's pretty significant because you're talking about a lot, thousands of races, and to have all of them show to bet all of them and actually still show a profit. And again, you know how quarters are often shorter prices. That's pretty significant. However, we found a few tracks: Prairie Meadows, Lone Star, Evangeline Downs, which had super results. At Prairie Meadows, over a rather long term, several races, long term season, the win rate was actually 61%. We ran this 2 or 3 times and it kept coming back the same. And the ROI was 56%. This is at Prairie Meadows. Prairie Meadows, for some reason, seems to do exceptionally well with this program. Also, Lone Star had about a 41% rate and about a more moderate 20% ROI. We got pretty much the same at Evangeline. Most of the quarter horses tracks did well. One that didn't was Los Alamitos. So Los Alamitos, for some reason, runs quarters all year round, almost all year round. And for some reason, we got, I think, like a -4%. So we just kind of threw that one out of the study when we looked at the whole study. Also, Delta again and Indy, the Indy quarter horses did very well. Also, and again, you can see these are the data. These are the spreadsheets with the databases that Len runs, and you can see here, for instance, at Churchill Downs overall, we showed a 25% return on the win end and 10% on exactas, actually. Charlestown, on the other hand, which is mostly a shorter price horse track, while we got a high win percentage, we didn't get a positive ROI, but on superfectas, we got a huge ROI, about 54%. Because again, it's tracks like Charlestown, we often do get short prices on top. A lot of folks just ignore the exotics. They concentrate on the win end. And the NCCG is very good at finding horses, especially price horses, that fall into the superfecta. So again, at some of the smaller tracks, you'll actually do better on the superfectas, trifectas, superfectas, than you will on the win end. But overall, this is a very consistent program. Great for win, great for finding singles when you're playing your exotics. Great for modified show parlays. And we again, given all the research and the incredibly large database study we did with this, we believe it's priced very well at $118. And it's something I think you're really going to like. Again, you're going to be visiting the cashier's window often when you play this one. Don't expect any big prices, but again, if you like consistency, this is a great product. Thanks, and we'll talk to you next time.